What's up, guys? And today I'll be playing PUBG. I have 2 wins under my belt so far. Good, we are the champions, my friend. And we'll just be playing some solos. But no doubt, I am pretty good at PUBG. Well, I think I'm good at it. I have 2 wins so far. And I've only played 27 matches. And that's pretty good because there's only 100 people in your game. This is you. Yo, it's you, boy. It's Tom's guy here. Time to drop some knowledge on ya. Shoot all your problems away. Okay, kids, I don't know. And show you to shoot all your problems away. 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 Grab your gun now. You're having fun now. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. Grab your gun now. You're having fun. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. Not shouting right now. Shoot all your problems away. I'm going to fairy papaya. I'm the master of papaya. If you're a teenage fan. I'm gonna jump now, see if I can clutch the clutch. If your name, time to drop some knowledge on ya. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. Grab your gun, now we're having fun. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. These kids, I don't condone killing people. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. Grab your gun, no, we're not gonna make it. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh flosh. It's my tosh. Well, oh mosh. My name is Rule Dosh. My gosh. Oh gosh. Here, little pocket, it's my next. You're gonna ask, why aren't you playing Fortnite? I don't play it anymore. I just think it's kind of weird. Because, how much damage shotguns do. That's the most annoying thing about Fortnite. How much damage shotguns do. Level 2, please, fast. See this MLG Pro skill here? Ready to see me take out some perps. I am... you... Level 2 backpack. Pretty G. Plus a break. No. No, let's go out. If you got, post your favorite gun in the comments in PUBG if you play it, like me. My favorite gun has to be the Scar L. Different. Yo, it's your boy, it's Tom Scott here. Time to drop some knowledge on ya. Gotta say, don't shoot all your problems away. Yo, it's your boy, it's Christopher here. And time to drop some knowledge on ya. Don't shoot all your problems away. Don't shoot all your problems away. I don't condone shooting people, so don't shoot all your problems away. I could take the bridge, but if I did, it would be pretty bad. Some people are now. These can get to be like 60-minute longs, these matches. So yeah, that's why I'm only down to play one match. So I'm not a live streamer. Ready to see this? See this? I'm about to drop some knowledge, everybody. Red zone, where's that? Okay, I'm good. Ready for this? Docking! Yeah, that's parallel parking at its finest, everybody. What's E-boy? It's time to start here. Time to pick up my rifle, boy. If I seen someone shooting at me, I would kill them easy. Pretty good setup. Shotguns. Couple of military helmet. Okay. Pretty good, pretty good. Sorry about the lag. I am playing on United States servers. They're pretty laggy. Oh my god. I need to plan better servers. Yeah. Next video I will have better servers on. I'll have the best server. Oh my god. It's lag. Killing me. There's bandages on, because bandages are good. Everyone needs bandages. Everyone always needs bandages. So we'll have to die. Oh, guy! He hit me in midair. Oh my god. See, that skill there. I just took him out. Oh. Baby, 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 baby. Thank you for that. That, baby. Shots behind me, shots behind me. Oh, lucky I seen that on the map. Boys. Oh my god, I'm good. Oh, behind me! Really? Right as I go to bandage. Get down to cover. Where are they coming from? Oh my god. Oh my god. 3 kills in a row. You'll get clusters of people sometimes all fighting. That's a Scarl. Take it. He had a pretty bad stuff, but that hurt a lot. Medkitting up. Oh, I'm above 70. I got my favorite gun, and I'm set. I probably can get a chicken. They're dropping. Really has to drop right where I am. Right where I am. Come on, every time. I don't want to attract attention to me. Come on, really? It's like really offensive playing. You know how offensive that is playing? Like, yo, it's you boys, Tomska here. God. This is so intense. I'm gonna get the drop, but I'm gonna camp it first. Yes, one of the tactics. I can snipe with a Scarrow pretty well. Everyone's gonna want this. And I'm gonna run over there and start sniping with my Scar. The Scarrow has pretty good range. My aim's heating up. Guy. Play me. Time to drop some knowledge on ya. Never try to kill a Tom Star player. Find me? Oh my god. Take that, you Zubat. I'm gonna drop some knowledge on ya. Never try to mess with the Chris. Well, he's gonna drop some knowledge on ya. We'll wrap up in a first aid kit. He'll go for your loot and leave. Scarrel. Normal. This one. Time to drop some knowledge on y'all. Don't never try to mess with Christopher. We'll knock you down and take all your loot. Because I'm dropping knowledge on ya. I gotta book it after the is. That's why that guy didn't do much damage. That guy didn't do much damage. I was wondering why. But now I realize he only had a normally not a Scarrel. Thought he would have a Scarrel because it's so late in the game. But sometimes people don't. And I sometimes don't even. Some knowledge. Yeah. Sidecar? Yes, there is a sidecar. It's a two-person. You see that skill right there? Okay. Where are we going? Straight ahead. If I take a hard turn, this thing pops up in the air, and it's hilarious. Stability! Stability! Oh god. Yo, it's Heat Boy, it's Tomska here, and today I'll be about balding. My stop recording button's right on my chain seats. Most annoying thing ever. Time to drop some knowledge on ya. I'm recording a video and nope, wasn't supposed to do that. I'm recording a video because I can. There's a vehicle over there, isn't there, Jin? I'm recording a video cause I can. That's the bombing zone and I don't want to get in the Sarabama route. But I can tell there's a vehicle somewhere near. Oh god, that's the bombing zone. That's the bombing zone. I said that is the bombing zone. I'm recording now again. Gotta tell you that in the vid. Well, I'm recording now. I wasn't recording because I had a lot of stuff to do. I went fishing a lot. So, yeah, kind of had a lot of stuff to do. But now I'm back to recording vids. Time to drop some knowledge on ya. Everybody here. Yeah, I'm about to drop some PUBG knowledge on everybody. PUBG mobile knowledge on everybody here. The Scarrel's the most effective one. Ah. Do a backflip. Time to drop some knowledge on you. Ow, that's my vertebrae. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna get the dune. Oh, vehicle to the right, to the left, to the left, to the right. I heard we got movement over here. Everybody, say, says. Oh, that's a dump truck, not normal land. It's a dump truck. Everybody. Oh, drift, 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 drift. My name is Bob and I like to frub. My name is Drob and I like to dub. My name is Dobie and I like to Poby. And I don't look like a guy named Kobe. If you're gonna ask why I don't have my face, is because I can't edit it into the base. Oh, Drift, do you see the sick donut here? Dune buggies are the savior. Buggies are the savior of the game. Because if you're camping a drop with a dune buggy, you can just run everybody there over. These colonies gonna rise up when they live on a beach. Airdrop. Hear that? Hear the silence cues? But where's it at? Oh, come on, right in front of me again. I don't want to draw attention to my buggy. Because I really don't want to have to get a new buggy from someone. Now this is where people are gonna come in with cars. And I'm gonna have to be in my dune buggy to battle of the buggies. Take a shot, time to take a shot. And I am not throwing away, and I'm not throwing away my shot. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, everybody. You ready to see this MLG Pro skill here? This is I like to call mastering a PUBG. You can see everybody. Oh yeah, even more attention's drawn to me. Ha 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 ha! Everybody, yeah, do that to the Chris. I'm in the middle also, so there's nothing really that will hit him from there except this baby, the Scarel, Squirrel, yeah, the Squirrel, Squirrel, yeah, the Squirrel. Like I'll throw it at him, and it will go and like wrap around the neck and then like nunchucks. Yeah, that's how squirrels work. Tell me if you see anybody. I don't have any see any movement on the map. That's the weird part. I don't think anyone's near this drop yet. Usually there are people near the drop. Yeah, I have to run up and ram. My drop. I'm a goblin. Okay, yep. I'm just gonna get this. Everybody who thinks that this drop. Anything better? Oh yeah, if I need cover, I get in my vehicle. Vehicle. That's an M20. So it's a heavy duty gun. I'll use this with patented with this. I have feet. I have movement. I have movement right next to me. You didn't expect me to take that gun. Oh my god, really? What? What the heck? It's not running him over. Okay. Where's this guy at? He's on the run, isn't he? Behind me, behind me, behind me. Oh, they're both dead. They're both goners. Sorry, but I'm gonna steal your kill. They haven't even hit me. Oh my god, they're surrounding. Oh my god, they're hitting with a full-blown maneuver me. What? That didn't kill him? I was gonna say, what the heck? I'm out of here. See you later, everybody. So we gotta go. So we gotta go, everybody. Double G, double peace. Oh, we got a guy in front of me. This should kill him. I'm gonna die because of leg. I can't steal with leg. Oh my god. What the heck? Okay, this is trash. Okay, everybody's dead here. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to you. Say goodbye. Everybody here. I am done. I am done with your crap leg. So goodbye. Goodbye, my friend. I'm just gonna medkit here. So everybody, who cares? I don't care if you're shooting me. I medkitted and I'm about to run all of y'all over and get a chicken. I love chicken. Like, I absolutely love chicken, everybody, because it tastes so good. And you get the bragging rights if you get a chicken. Oh my god, what the, like, it's spinning, the bullets. Oh my god. Really? Leg! My god, leg! Okay, I'm out of here. Goodbye. Oh my god. That is the most irritating thing ever. To having to two missed aids. That was just bad there. Bad on my part. I should have known that would have that a drop in the water. What you gonna do when it's a drop in the water? D. The price of your greed cost you drop in your data. What you gonna do when you're sun in the data? It hurts. I think I broke a kidney, everybody. Guys, I broke a kidney. Everybody, I broke a kidney. Hurts a lot, but I broke a kidney and I see movement up here, so I'm gonna run him over. Because I want... Oh. Chicken move. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? My god, my button. That should have killed him. That would have killed someone. Can't touch me. Ba-na-na-na. Okay, you're playing on Pubg. Yeah, he's playing with keyboard. But I do see movement right here. Bye. Hope you find your dad. Really hopes he finds us. Really hope he finds his dad. Because that had to hurt a lot. Because I hope he finds his dad. Everybody, it's me, this 5 other peeps. And if I can play this safe, I am gonna play it safe, yeah, and run them all over. Me. Me. I'm gonna let everybody kill each other. Then I'm just gonna come in with the car and just ram the last person. Because this is gonna be risky. if I go for a kill. Because it's gonna be pretty risky. Oh, crap. When I said it would be risky to go for a kill. Where's this kid? I'll ram your front. What is this kid doing? I hit him! Okay, everybody, go back on the video, and I know for a fact I hit that kid. I hit that kid for a fact. If he snipes me, I'm gonna be so mad. That's the most eerie thing ever. I hit him. I know that for a fact. Adrenaline. I'm injecting adrenaline. Oh, now it's time to die, buddy. I see you. Don't expect me to not see you. You know I can see you. You know that? No, just don't stop when a car's running at you, idiot. Oh my god. No, really? Killed. Let me versus one other guy. Hopefully he's bad. Because to live this long... I'm doing a video. This is intense. Last person. I'm the second person. Last person. I can get this chicken, everybody. I can get a chicken here. Everybody, chant chicken in the comments. Yell chicken. Like, hashtag chicken in the comments. No, hashtag chicken dinner in the comments. Yeah. He's hiding, isn't he? He's gonna be in a building. I'm very skilled in this game. By very skilled, I mean I'm about to die. And all I have to save me is this car. So if he's in a building, I'm gonna have to hide and wait for him to come out and play chicken. He's over there. Okay. Speed boost! He's dead. He's so dead. Guys, if I get a chicken dinner, hashtag chicken in the comments. Asking for comments right now. God, double trap, God. He's gotta be on the water. Time to take my shot. I'm not gonna throw away my shot to win this game. At all. Oh, he's firing. From where? Come on, buddy. You know you wanna. I don't have a police vest. So, I am very scared, guys. It's good, bro. Hashtag chicken dinner if I win this match in the comments right now. If I win this match, hashtag chicken dinner. Everybody. I thought I just seen someone. Oh, that's him. Chicken dinner. I just got a chicken dinner, chicken winner, chicken dinner, Your grade SSS snake. Oh, that was so intense, everybody. Winner, chicken dinner, everybody. Hashtag chicken dinner in the comments. Peace out, everybody.